Hey guys, this is Joel with BrightNet Reflective. Just wanted to give you a heads up on the chevrons, on what we've done for the packaging on this. Some people in our testing group love the ability to take off individual chevrons and then place them wherever they wanted. Some people wanted a transfer tape so that you could easily take the a strip of chevrons off and easily transfer that whole piece over. So what we did was we found a transfer tape that has a backing paper on it, and I'll show you what we've got. We've got a 4 by 6 inch strip, and what you can do with that, simply just cut it on the line. They give you a 1 inch strip. Bam, massive scissors. You don't really need those. Anyway, so you take this 1 inch strip. People with fingernails will be able to do this much easier. Take that clear part off. Take your chevrons, align the edge to the edge, don't overlap to the other side. Just press it on really good and start at the pointy end and just kind of roll the chevrons off like that. They'll stick to that transfer tape. And then you can take your handy dandy pet dragon, put your item on there. We always want to face forward, so what we'll do is we'll line it up with wherever you want to put it and simply apply it like that. Start in the middle, kind of go outwards. Then when you're done with that, start again in the front. You want to carefully peel that transfer tape off. Bam, there you go. Easy row chevrons. Thanks guys.